Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti and welcome to day 1 of this Pranayama challenge. Congratulations on taking the first step towards connecting with your breath. Once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going. Let us start by coming into an easy cross-legged sitting position. If sitting cross-legged is challenging, you can also do this while sitting on a chair. You can prop a cushion or a yoga block under the hips to be able to sit a bit taller. Let's gently lengthen the spine, roll the shoulders back, opening the chest. You can bring both the hands in chin mudra on the knees and gently close your eyes. And let's just take a moment to center ourselves and tune in with our breath. Take a deep, slow breath in and slowly exhale out. Again, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Feel the weight of your body as you sit here. Bring your attention to the points where your body is coming in contact with the earth beneath you. With every inhale, draw in the energy from the earth, and with every exhale, let go completely. For the next 10 minutes, let go of everything else and just fully arrive here in this moment, bringing your breath. We'll start the practice with an Om chant. Inhale. Slowly bring the hands together at heart center and gently start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Place the palms over the eyelids and slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes, and we'll start the practice now. We'll start with 4-6 breathing. So let's bring both the hands in chin mudra on the knees and start by taking a deep breath in through the nose and slowly exhale out through the mouth. Again, inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last time, inhale. Exhale. And relax and take a few normal breaths. Next, we'll be doing belly breathing. So let's bring one hand on our belly and one on the chest. We are going to take a deep breath in and feel the expansion in our belly. As we exhale, the belly softens and comes back in. Again, inhale deeply, feeling your belly expanding out like a big balloon. Exhale slowly, the belly softens and comes back in. Inhale deeply into the belly, while the chest remains almost stationary. As you exhale, the belly comes back in. Keep going on. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do 5 more rounds at your own pace. Last round. And relax and bring the hands down, taking a few normal breaths. Next, we are going to start single nostril Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, which is the most basic level of Nadi Shodhana, in which we are going to bring the left hand in Chin Mudra on the left knee and right hand in Nasagra Mudra by folding the ring and the little finger. We will place the index and the middle finger at eyebrow center, closing the right nostril with the right thumb. Take a deep breath in from the left side and slowly exhale out from the left. Again, inhale left, exhale left. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Continue for 5 more rounds. Last round. And relax. Now we are going to close the left nostril with the ring finger, opening the right nostril. And we are going to take a deep breath in from the right side. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale right. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Continue for 5 more rounds. Last round. Exhale. And slowly bring the right hand down. And take a few normal breaths from both the nostrils. This is a great preparatory practice for balancing both the sides of our nostrils and both the sides of our internal energy, the sun and the moon energy within us, to go deeper into pranayama practices as we progress over the days. We are going to end the practice with 3 Om chants. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly bring the hands together and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently place the palms over the eyelids, feeling the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly pat your entire face with the palms and bring the hands down. So I hope you enjoyed today's practice, which was day 1. We did something very basic today, but that was the first step to connecting with our breath over the next 14 days. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, take care, rest well, and bye-bye.